Hello class students, 10 student. We are going to continue the discussion on the chapter, that is chapter from the history, and we are going to discuss about
non-cooperation movement in Assam.
Yes, non-cooperation movement in Assam. And in the previous discussion we discussed about the Swadeshi movement, and I hope so you have understood and you have cleared your queries. And if you have not cleared your queries, you are free to ask your question anytime into the WhatsApp group or in my personal WhatsApp number. So now the non-cooperation movement in Assam was running in all over in India also, and it was during the time
1920-1922.
Yes, during the time of 1920-1922. Now the fact behind it is that we are going to continue the non-cooperation movement. My son, as the assistant, will help me to continue the class. His name is Mr. Tasnim Aris, and with his help we are going to make the video successful, and I hope so there will be views of the students and their student will like the videos. So definitely this time with a better stints, do subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon and also click on the like tag, that to encourage this boy, my assistant, to make more videos into the coming days for your own better studies. So let's start with the topics, that is non-cooperation movement. We already know that the non-cooperation movement was started by
Mahatma Gandhi,
and Mahatma Gandhi launched the movement, and we have already understood in the very beginning of the lesson number 2 in history, that is the freedom struggle by Mahatma Gandhi, rise of Gandhi, that he adopted the strategy of
non-violence.
Yes, he adopted the strategy of non-violence, and considerably he have pursued various systems in the movement. So let's start that. Under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership, the movement aimed at the British rule, that is through non-violence, and that we say as ahimsa. When the nation was responding to the call of the Gandhi, Assam Association at that time was not sure to start or to join the movement and also to joining the movement. So a section of the association led by Ganga Govinda Borua, Tara Prasad Salia, Ghansam Borua, these are the etc. These were the people. They say that they should retain in separate the very identity in order to deal with the local issues of Assam. They don't want to join the national forum with the national forum in Assam, as at that time Indian National Congress was absent in Assam. So however, the majority feel the need of the joining the mainstream politics, that is with the national forum, majority in the association. So the Assam Association at its 17th session, which was held in Tezpur, that is session in December 1920, there were considerable debate with the various leaders of the association, and took the resolution of joining the non-cooperation movement and to follow the directives of the Congress. So association and Congress had the same directives, so better to merge with the Assam Provincial Congress Committee. So the beginning of some of the leaders of the Assam Provincial Committee, suppose the first elected president of Assam Provincial Congress Committee was
Kuladhar Soliha.
Yes, and also there was a secretary which led the Provincial Congress Committee was
Nobi Chandra Bordoloi.
Excellent. Kuladhar Soliha, the secretary, the president, and Nobin Chandra Bordoloi, the secretary of Assam Provincial Congress Committee. So the non-cooperation movement in Assam reached its climax When did he reach his climax? He reached its climax with a visit of Gandhi to Assam in August 1921. Mahatma Gandhi, in his life, for the first time in Assam, he reached in Assam and he propagated various agenda, and also in regards to the non-cooperation movement, and he urged in various meeting, in various of his lectures, to join to the movement. And responding to the appeal made by Mahatma Gandhi, people joined the boycott movement by organizing huge bonfire of British goods. So these huge bonfire of the British goods was where can be seen in various places. Bonfire means firing of, accumulating of the clothes that were worn by the people. But these people, for the sake of the nationalism, they burned their own wearing clothes. Why they were burning? Because these clothes were bought by the people from the British shops, and the British were selling their own clothes after manufacturing in their own native country. So it is because of this they were burning, just to boycott just to show the boycott of the British goods. And the British goods, the boycott of British goods was not confined only in British goods, but also various, under the leaderships of various people like Chandranath Sharma, Hemchandra Barua, Omya Kumar Das, Mahibuddin Ahmed. These youth participated in a movement by boycotting government institutions also, like schools, colleges. Some of the prominent leaders of the movements were Lakshidhar Sharma, Rohini Kanta Hathi Barua, Bimala Kanta Barua, Kanak Chandra Barua, Benudhar Sharma, Tilak Sharma, and so on. So following the student, many lawyers, like as we have mentioned, like Nobin Chandra Bordoloi, Kuladhar Solia, Tarunan Fukan, Kamini Kumar Chandra, Vishnuram Meri, they left their practice, legal practice, and joined the movement. So sacrifices were there and contribution were also there. So many government officials and teachers also left their jobs, and in this thing they started the movement with a strong hand. With the growing influence of the movement, national schools were also opened, like in Swadeshi, as you have already learned here. So many various schools were opened, many schools were opened in Guwahati, Nalbari, Jorhat, Tezpur, Sibsagar, Noga, Karimjan, and Maulvi. So first national school was established at Guwahati in February 1921, and the name was given as Tilak Memorial School, and it was under the memory of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the school started functioning from a local person, from Rohini Kumar Chaudhary. He was a resident at Bharulumukh, and later it was shifted to Assam Club as Ujan Bazar. So the leaders of the movement also undertook a program of constructive works, not only negative, not only boycotting, but also constructive works. So here we can understand that the kingdom into the state, and here one of the major impact of the movement in Assam was the fall in opium consumption. Do you know what is opium consumption? When opium is consumed by the people, people gone mad, and here the people, when they gone mad, they do anything they like. And here so what is this? What is this? Not good, this thing. Keep it there, keep it there. I am not doing. Bapre bap. What is he doing? His assistant. Are bapre bap. I am telling about. No, again not. I am especially afraid of this thing. What I say, that while consuming opium, people do like some pagla thing. Just I did just a couple of seconds earlier. So, as a result of vigorous anti-opium campaign led by the Congress, worked the consumption of the Abkari opium fell. That means Abkari opium, that means that opium which is prohibited used by the people. This rule is still here. So what is the opium? It is a kind of plants that are grown, okay, poppy cultivation, and from that poppy some types of latex is extracted. That latex is dried upon and that is consumed, and when they consume they go everything like this thing. Okay, just kidding. I don't consume opium because it is not good, and also if I consume it will be like a puff. Do you know puff? Sin. under the name of God, I never consume this thing. So the revenue earned from the selling of opium decreased by 19 lakh rupees. Another important constructive works was popularizing the use of khadi and increasing the production of khadi. Khadi, you know, local made thread and clothes are made. So the movement witnessed unprecedented support from the tea garden laborers. Unprecedented support from the tea garden laborers. And the last population of tea garden laborers took part in the movement, in this non-cooperation movement. There were records of sporadic strikes and disturbance by these people, that is about 8,000 laborers of 13 tea gardens at Sargola and Longai Valley of Karimganj, subdivided, came together to protest against their colonial master. So who was the colonial master? The British. So here, as about 8,000 laborers of 13 tea gardens of the Sargola and Longai Valley, they took part in the colonial subdivisions under the leadership of Congress, and in this way there were unprecedented movement from the tea garden also. So demanding a huge wage increase, that means hajira, the wage that is earned by these laborers. So they accompanied these people. They demanded for a huge wage income. They were giving a slogan, and also a slogan was accompanied by
Gandhi Maharaj ki jai.
Yes, Gandhi Maharaj ki jai. The laborers came out of their gardens. Honored by such exodus laborers, the planters started pressurizing the district administration, that is to use force and bring these people, tea planters, back to their tea garden, and otherwise if they are going out, the plantation will be destroyed. Nobody will be taking care of the plantation, and the plantation will be destroyed. Tea planters almost, otherwise we will not be drinking tea like this. सुत्ता लगा के हम लोग जो पीते हैं ना चाय, कोई को तो दूध वाला चाय पीता है, कोई लाल, मैं लाल पसंद करता दूध वाला चाय, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो दूध वाला देता है पानी में दूध मिलाता है, यहाँ पर दूध में पानी नहीं मिलाता है. Understood? So it is just thing, we are very in trouble, we are in vain that we are getting पानी में दूध मिलाया हुआ दूध. So here it is because it is, मेरा ये छोटा बच्चा पानी वाला दूध पीना पड़ता है इसको बेचारा. So whatever it is, let's try to teach them that it is not good to do these things just for mere benefit, mere profit. They are doing these things. Okay. Now, so these laborers were forced back to the tea garden to work hard, but they went back. The British भी चला गया अभी to England, लेकिन हम लोग पानी में दूध मिलाकर अभी भी पी रहे हैं. Okay. So as an example, if I want to prepare tea, दूध वाला टी, सिर्फ दूध में चाय पत्ती और थोड़ा चीनी देने से हो गया दूध, हो गया चाय, not दूध. Okay, but definitely you are adding water into the milk and preparing the tea, but not yet. So forget about the tea preparing, tea manufacturing. Here we are discussing about the non-cooperation movement. I hope so that you have understood movement, and looking into his achievements, do watch the video, and if you have any question, you may ask to Tasnimari sir, and he will definitely give you the answer. Because you are not interested in my classes, no, I know very well, you are not asking me the question. There are only about 10 or 11 or 12, कभी कभी सारे 13 भी हो जाता है views, और वो भी 30 second by 30 second, and you are watching this in this way. So better, I hope so you will understand, and continuing the online classes, staying at home. But it's very difficult to start with the online classes. बेचारे को भी पढ़ना पड़ा a book को, history book, आप लोगों को पता है, you know the history book, how big it is. He have to study the part, the non-cooperation movement, and after preparing he have come here to give you the discussion. कितना मेहनत कर रहा है बच्चा. Shame on you, man.